On the 19th of October 2023, officers from the Australian Capital Territory Police engaged in a 20-minute pursuit across multiple suburbs, chasing an unlicensed driver, later identified as 22-year-old Nathaniel Coulter. At the time of the chase, Coulter was out on bail for other alleged offences. Coulter was already facing charges for an alleged robbery while on bail. Coulter has a history of serious criminal charges, including a 2022 incident where he was charged with assaulting a man using a glass bottle in Glebe Park, ACT. Coulter drove directly at officers attempting to deploy tyre deflation devices, veering across median strips, driving on the wrong side of the road, and running red lights. The chase eventually came to a halt after Coulter's vehicle, severely damaged with its tyres completely destroyed, was running solely on the rims.
Nathaniel, you are under arrest for failing to stop a motor vehicle, driving a stolen motor vehicle.
I'm not resisting, so please don't hurt me again. Please don't hurt so much.
Mate, you ran into a up, mate, so you're also getting charged with that, yeah?
Ow,
Get up.
Yeah, I've got a broken knee. Why have I got a broken knee? I'm not moving.
Do not move. Anyone you need to be aware of?
No.
Nothing in your pocket? Can you turn my car off, please? You don't remember, huh?
No,
Do you have any sharps on you?
No.
What's in your pockets, mate? What's in your pocket? What kind of full zero? Go kind of full zero. One male in custody. It's probably already been said before. I have a name for you, Nathaniel Coulter. Who did he hit?
He didn't hit anyone. Dean said he got narrowly missed.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for coming.
That's all good, dude.
Hell, what?
Sorry?
Light?
I don't have a torch on this.
Yeah,
I got it.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
I don't think you got
It's good.
It's good?
Yep.
What do you want? You want an arcade or?
this is the cage over here.
I'm not resisting it. Please don't shut me. My knee's actually fucked over.
Someone open the door.
I'll just step in here, please.
Now, Nathaniel, if it hasn't been done before, I'm going to caution you. You don't have to say do anything,
Yeah,
but anything
I know.
you do say do, maybe he's never. So you
Please
understand
don't
this?
push me. My knees actually.
Put your leg up, sit up, watch your head, watch your head.
Watch your head.
Sit back.
Sit down.
Coulter was charged with and pled guilty to aggravated driving, driving at police ×2, driving a stolen car, and driving while disqualified. In court, Justice Louise Taylor made it clear that she did not underestimate the difficulty of policing such situations. However, she condemned the use of a taser in this instance, stating that the force employed did not appear justified. The seriousness of an offender's conduct is not a license to disregard the obligations of police powers. Justice Taylor added. Justice Taylor sentenced Coulter to 3 years and 2 months in jail, which will be suspended after 14 months.